Hello, Mama. It's been 3 years since you left this place, 26th of November 2017. I still remember it was a Sunday morning. You remember Sunday morning where it used to be so exciting, so happening for me just because I used to get up early and used to go for the match and I used to be so happy about that thing. But that Sunday, life had some different plans for me. I got up, it was 6 in the morning, but I was being rushed to hospital and I got the news that you are no more. It was so shocking. It was so shivering. I still remember somewhere on Friday you told that you will soon come home in 2 days, but I never knew that you will come home in that way. That would be the last time you would be coming that place. It was really difficult thing to digest. I still remember how numb I was. I still remember how the superior forces, probably the God, gave me the courage to go through that phase, because I know that if Tarun Kothare would have had to deal with that situation, I think he would have succumbed to that situation. He didn't have that much of strength. A person who is such a sensitive guy, who is so cute, who is so innocent, wouldn't have been able to, just gather that courage to fight that situation. But it was someone sitting above, gave me the strength. I still can't understand how I was so blank and I just didn't have any tears. All the tears dried up. I still remember how I was just seeing your body and I had no reaction, probably no reaction. I can see people around me crying, but there was a person who was the most affected by that, but standing and just looking at you. Some things actually happen quite naturally. No one would ever understand how difficult it was for me, it is for me, and it will be for me to be without you. Because I know, you know, it was you and Dad. The reason I was always extra motivated, extra excited, had that extra energy, had that in me to just, stay away from the comfort zone, to push myself always a bit further, to chase something very big. It was just because of you and Dad. If you wouldn't have been my parents, I don't think so I would have been so motivated, because you were so nice. And I still just, how can a person be so cute? I just miss your voice. I just miss the way you used to call me Tarun. I just miss sometimes the calls like Pocha ki nahi, ye kiya ki nahi. It was so amazing. There's no doubt about that no one can fill that gap. I don't even go to find a person that can fill the gap of you, Mom. The love, the care, whatever, everything which you gave me is still with me. Losing you was just not losing you. There was a reason I kept your name as my Jaan in your phone. You are still my Jaan, and you can understand it can be so difficult for a person to live without his or her Jaan. It's probably taking a heart out of that person and saying him to survive. It is that difficult for me. But I think it's in our genes to be a fighter. Dad has been a fighter for 45 years. You have been a fighter for 40 years. And I think the same goes with me. Even I have to be a fighter. That's a genetical thing which I think we three have always had with each other. The attitude of never giving up, the courage, that made us what we are, wherever we are. And I think that was the biggest reason you survived for 40 long years. And you gave 20 years to me. And I'll always be grateful to that. And I just, there's so much to speak about. I've never been able to just go to someone or just talk with someone and just, cry on someone's shoulder saying that I miss you, Mom, because I don't know, it just didn't happen on 26th of November 2017. And then it became just all the more difficult to just go to someone, because I didn't want to go someone and listen the things that ab kuch nahi kar sakte, you have to forget that person. I was never interested in listening to all those bullshits, because I know you'll never be coming back again. You are no more. But the thing which used to people say, I might have misunderstood people, but the thing like ab kuch nahi kar sakte, bhulna padega, and you are not the one to be forgotten, right? So I always kept it to myself. I had some emotional songs. I had my diary. I had my Instagram. Whenever I just wanted to pour out my feelings, Instagram was the place. I just used to upload your picture and type as long captions as possible. That was the biggest thing which helped me. Initial phase where I wanted to write, I wrote a diary in which I just ensured that all of my feelings are going in that diary. And I think that was the nature of our life, that it was always being just, try to control your hard emotions. Because even, we always wanted to just see you smiling, just share something good to you. When I'm shooting this video, I can remember how much you used to love when you used to see someone speaking English, and you always had that wish that even you should speak English one day. Today, I have my own YouTube channel. Today, I have the courage. Today, I can speak in English without hesitating too much, but I don't have you by my side. And that is going to be the story. I might get a purple patch of my life within few months, but I would be having that purple patch, but I would not be having you. And that is just going to, always challenge me. And it's very difficult because soon I might become a chartered accountant, but the person who would have understood what it took for me to go through this journey and to reach at the end was you, and you'll not be there. It will be whatever achievements I might do over the years of my survival. Definitely you are going to be missed, and it's always going to be incomplete, because it was whatever is done, it was always for just you and Dad. No doubt Dad is with me, and that is the reason I think I am here, still standing today and moving ahead in life. It's been almost more than 1100 days without you. Each day was challenging. Still remember this phase of 11 months where I locked up myself just for studying for CA finals. I remember how challenging it was. I know how tough it was. And that is the reason I just don't go to someone and express how much pain I am in, because no one have gotten them to understand. Because I have heard people think, dekho to kya padna hai na? Are? You have to stay bloody 12 hours alone. You can't do anything. You just can't have lunch with someone. You just can't talk with anyone. And that is life, and that is so difficult. But I think that is the nature of the life, and I have to go through it, and I will definitely go through it. I am going through it, but it's been pretty challenging. I hope you remember the way we used to talk, the way you used to come at night and just accompany me, and mujhe dekhte I'm starting so loudly, dekhte you used to sleep, you used to enjoy. And that is the reason I think I'm studying so much, because you enjoyed it. And I think that is the reason that on the next day when I lost you, I had the courage in me to just go and give the exams, despite being it was a BCom exam, because I know you would have never wanted me to skip my exams. You would have always wanted me to just give the exam, just give your best. And if I talk about that, I think some amount of credit goes to this bloke because of that story. When he went to play the match after losing his dad, that somewhere just gave me something, to take my hand up and say I'm going to give the exams. So the credit goes to him as well. And thank you for making me so strong. Actually, this is the first time where I'm being vocally saying something about you. If I get the opportunity, I think I might go 24/7, 365 days about you. There's so much to say about you. There's so many nice things to say about you. There's so much I miss you, but that is the nature of life. This is how life works. It is so uncertain. I still remember we were having just the best of our times. Finally we were discussing like, finally अच्छे दिन आ रहे, finally जिंदगी बदलेगी. जिंदगी बदल तो गई 2017 में, but not in a good way, in a tough way, in a challenging way. We would have never thought, right, कि this will happen in November 17, especially when we just were having or enjoying our time from August, clearing the exams, getting into job, getting the stipend. There are so many things which I got from you. No doubt, the moment I lost you, I knew I would be more lonely in life. I would be more heartless in life. It would be pretty more challenging for me. But it gave me many things. It gave me the courage. It gave me the strength. It made me understand that I'll be fearless. Because I think I've had the biggest loss of my life. And that is you. And after that, if there is something which is going to stop me, it's not possible. The fear which you have almost gone. I'm so fearless, so ruthless. Kuch karna hai to karna hai. That have been the attitude. And I think it's just because I don't have you by my side. So it's just turned me into a soul which is pretty much fearless, and I know अगर कुछ होना है तो वैसे भी हो जाएगा. So let's play it bold, let's play it fearlessly, let's play it with some aggressive attitude, let's chase whatever you want to chase in life, let's give your best shot to achieve whatever you want to achieve. I think I still remember those days when me, you and dad used to sit together having a bowl of nice food, watching the TV. I think nothing can get better than that. The feeling was surreal. Used to make me feel so happy. Despite we never had huge money, but the happiness which we shared when we three were together in that small house, it was just the amazing feeling. And that is the reason it is so difficult, especially even for dad and even for me, to be at this place, because you completed this place, and it is never going to be possible to just complete that place, because the presence of you in that house just gave us something more, and absence of you have taken something out of us. Otherwise the festivals used to be so exciting just after seeing your excitement. There were so many things which were so much emotionally connected to you, like cooking food. It was so difficult for me to step into the kitchen after I lost you, because the only person whom I cooked was for you, and that emotions were attached. And sometimes when the emotions are attached, it's pretty difficult. But since I'm your son, I have to be a fighter. I will fight this phase. I will get through this phase. I'm actually getting through this phase, and I'll remain stronger. I know I've just turned a bit lazy. I'm not working that much. What should I? I've been more complacent in these last 11 months. I've not been able to push myself, not been that consistent, I've not been that disciplined. That are the principles of my life. But I think everyone goes through this rough patch. I still have the motivation, I still have the dreams which I had constructed for myself, for you, for dad. I think I still have that in my mind, and I feel I definitely will, this rough phase will pass, and I know you will support me. There comes a time in life when you might feel a bit less motivated, less energetic, and you might find difficult to push yourself. I'm going through that thing, but I hope you trust me, and I know I trust myself that I'll get through this. I'll again get back into the energetic, enthusiastic Tarun Kothari who have always been. This is the way of leading my life, and I'll always miss you. There's not going to be any single point in life where I might not miss you. It's not just being at home or just being outside. It's you. It's you. You had some different magic. I still crave for your voice. Even after it's been 3 years, still crave for your voice. Sometimes when I sit at this place, I feel like, ab to awaaz aa jayegi. I wish to say, see you soon, talk to you soon, but I know it's not going to happen anytime. But I hope I'll make you proud, and I'll keep up the energy. Thank you for supporting me. I know you are the one who is giving me strength from above. Otherwise, I can still say Tarun Kothari wouldn't have been able to deal with that situation. I think he would have succumbed. He would have followed you when I lost you. But it's, I think, you, the God, the superior forces sitting above, giving me the strength to just push myself day in, day out. This is a thing which no one would understand. And that is the reason I just never wanted, because this is such an emotion where if someone will say something against which I don't want to hear, I might just go crazy on that. And that is the thing which always holded me. It's like, keep it to yourself. It's my pain. I'll deal with it my own way. I know how hard it's for me. I know what you mean to me. I know all the things. So it was better off keeping it to myself. And since today I had the luxury, I had my YouTube channel, so I just thought of, just putting out some words. It's never going to be enough. Like, it can go on for hours and hours and hours, and still the video might not get finished. There's so much to say about you, but definitely this YouTube gave me at least the opportunity to speak something about you, and I'll always miss you. You were the apple of my eyes. You gave me that. You had an amazing charm over me, and obviously I miss the love, the care, the concern, pulling your leg a lot. I don't try to find a person who can fill this gap. I just miss you, and that is going to be the nature of my life. Wherever I am, irrespective of the situations in which I am, चाहे कितना भी बड़ा पर्पल पैच क्यों ना आ जाए जिंदगी में, जो वो फीलिंग थी ना जब आप में और डैड बैठ के खाना खाते थे या जोक्स पास करते थे या टाइम स्पेंड करते थे, उससे बेस्ट, उससे अनबिटेबल फीलिंग ना कभी जिंदगी में आने वाली है, ना कभी आ पाएगी. बट येस, दिस इज हाउ द लाइफ वर्क्स. द शो मस्ट गो, इट इज गोइंग, बट देयर इज समथिंग which is incomplete and it'll always be incomplete and I'll always miss you. There's no doubt about it. And you know, right, I have my own ways. I have my emotional songs. I have my bathroom where I just can go and cry. I have the luxury whenever I'm alone, I just go on 24/7. So yeah, probably I would sort or I would find ways to, just whenever I miss you, I do whatever I feel like. And that song which was like tu kitni achhi hai, they have held me, actually the one biggest song, tu itni dur kyun hai माँ, बताना राज क्यों है माँ, मैं तेरा हूँ बुला ले तू, गले फिर से लगा ले तू. I miss that thing. I miss your heart. I miss your care. I miss so much. I miss everything about you. I feel I always have a smile when I speak about you because that is the time which I have had with you. It was so beautiful. Life was always very beautiful when you were around, and that is the reason when I speak about you, I have a bright smile on my face. Thank you for everything. And if I thank you for everything, I'll automatically have to thank Dad, because I think he was the person because of which it was possible for you to be with me for 20 years. The amount of work he have put in just to see you, just to take care of yourself, just to take care of our house is is unbelievable. And just heads off to that person. Always be thankful to you as well as to that. शायद अगर वो नहीं होते और अगर कोई और पर्सन होता उनके बदले, I don't think so I would have been able to be with you for 20 years. Kudos to that. Despite working out so much, he never shows, and I think that is me. I'll never show, and I think that was you who never showed. You took so much things in yourself. Dad is taking so much in himself, and I believe taking so much in myself. I think it is also a genetical thing. I still fail to understand when I was with such a innocent, cute kind of person. How can I be so, masti-khor and just evil-minded? I just don't understand. But yeah, I miss you. It was a tough journey. Keep supporting me as you are doing me. There would be no reason to forget you. And I'll always miss you. I hope you, seeing this video, you would feel proud. Oh, ये मेरा बेटा इंग्लिश बोल रहा है. I love you.